Okay, quick note. We have a question like, okay, 50 is between the squares of what two consecutive integers? That's pretty easy to see that the biggest square less than 50 is 49. The smallest square greater than 50 is 64. So that 50 is between 7 squared and 8 squared, and that would be those 7 and 8 then would be your two consecutive integers. Okay? But if I ask you about, the big number like 587,392,466, one of my favorite numbers, not really, how would you determine it? Would you do trial and error? You can't do it in your head. Okay, well, very simple. Okay, to get the two consecutive integers between whose squares we have 50, and that's not a very well constructed sentence, but hopefully you understand what I mean. We take the square root of 50 and find that it's 7.1 approximately. Okay, and that's accurate enough to tell us that, well, okay, so if you square 7, it's going to be less than 50. If you square any integer greater than 7, it's going to be more than 50. So, 7 and 8 would be your two integers. 7 squared is less than 50, and 8 squared is greater than 50. Your two consecutive integers then are 7 and 8. That idea will serve you well if you're asked to find the two consecutive integers that whose squares bracket a given large number.